Hey there, my meaty friends. This is Reed, aka CarnivorousChef. It's been a while since I've made a pizza, and I think it was about time to break that streak. I didn't just want to make a pizza to make another crust. I really wanted a new experience. So, to change it up, I went with a deep dish pizza. I know that I'll probably upset some people by my use of Alfredo sauce, but compromises, you know? Anyways, feel free to pick whatever toppings you want, but for this recipe, you'll need mild Italian sausages, thin sliced pepperonis, sliced low moisture mozzarella, some blurry heavy cream, and some eggs. And today's GoPro footage is brought to you by Springform Pan. To start this recipe, let's take 3 ounces of pork rinds and 4 eggs and give them a good forking in a mixing bowl. Please pick out any random shells you may or may not see. Once your batter is good and forked, let it rest to the side to hydrate. In the meantime, let's get our Alfredo sauce whipped up. Place a pan over medium-high heat and add in 1 cup of heavy cream. Once this reaches a light boil, turn off the heat and add in a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, as well as a 1/2 cup of Monterrey Jack. Whisk this until fully incorporated. Season with salt and pepper to taste, and I added about a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Next up, I need to brown my sausage. I think 2 should be plenty for the size of my springform pan. Get the sausage out of the casing by any cringeworthy means possible. There's no way to do this without feeling pain. Place the meat into a pan set over medium heat and brown for a few minutes. I broke mine up and got it most of the way brown, but don't worry too much because it'll continue to cook in the oven. This next part is going to be up to you and how much you want your crust to look perfect. Honestly, it'll look pretty good no matter what, but the biggest goal here is to get your batter up the side of the pan and as high as possible. Butter up your pan to prevent sticking as well. I par baked mine for 5 minutes, but looking back at it, I think you could just avoid that part. This part is also up to you. Traditionally, deep dish pizzas start with sauce and end with cheese. But today I'm gonna kind of just layer everything. Have fun with this part. If you're upset, please leave all complaints in the comment section. Once you've got it the way you like it, wrap it in foil. Bring it over to an oven set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 30 minutes. Then, remove the foil and cook in the same oven for 5 minutes to get the top cheese browned. Once removed, let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This will be a soupy mess otherwise. After its short rest, run a knife around the outside to remove anything stuck to the pan. Holy shit, look at how glorious this is. I honestly didn't want to cut into this, but all good things have to be destroyed. I think that's a quote. I am happy that I finally quit staring at it and just cut a slice because it turned out even better than I was expecting. This first exciting bite is for my Patreon community. Check out the link in the description if you're interested in supporting the channel. Now, I knew this was good because I usually finish things off screen, but this one needed to be devoured right then. You can feel the need to devour it too if you like this video and subscribe to the channel.